Hello children, let's learn about nouns. So children, what is a noun? A noun is a person, a place or a thing. Person, example, girl, boy, teacher, coach and your mother. Now identify the noun in the sentence. The boy fell over. So children, can you identify which is the noun in this sentence? Yes, the boy. So boy is the noun. So it is a name which denotes a common noun. Place. Examples of place: hospital, school, house, Australia and city. These are names of places. Now children, here is a sentence. London is a great city to visit. You have to identify the noun in this sentence. It's easy. You see children, London and city. These are two nouns in the given sentence. Now, noun is also known as a thing like shoe, butterfly, book, sandwich and sun. We'll do a similar exercise. The boat sailed through the wind. Here children, you have to identify which is the thing. So boat and wind. These are both things if you look at the sentence. If you keep practicing, it will get easier for you. How many nouns can you see? The cat was so tired, he fell asleep on the mat. The cat was so tired, he fell asleep on the mat. So you see, cat and mat are two words which are used as nouns in this sentence. Now children, nouns can be two types: common noun and proper noun. Common noun refer to general things, the generic name, and proper nouns are specific things. For example, proper noun can be name of cities, places, etc. Now common noun example can be boy, month, teacher, country, religion. But proper noun: Andrew, January, Miss Smith, Australia and Christianity. So these are particular names. These names are not given to everyone but to particular person, place or thing. They are known as proper noun. Now proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Now identify the common noun in this sentence. Dr. Jones enjoys hiking in the Andes mountain range and riding horses. It's easy children. Yes. Here you see the common noun is horses. Now you have to identify the proper noun in the same sentence. Dr. Jones enjoys hiking in the Andes mountain range and riding horses. So, do you see any particular name or the particular name of a mountain, children? Yes, children. So, Dr. Jones and Andes mountain, these are names of particular person and a place. So, these are proper noun. And as you can see, they are both in capital letters. With this, we come to the end of the video. If you like the video, please subscribe.